Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys would like to see other helpful tutorials on the Note 8, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight on and off on the Note 8. And the flashlight is just an LED light back here that will turn on and off to use it as a light, as a torch, whatever you guys want to call it. So the way to activate it is first we can go ahead and start off by hitting the power button. Even if you have a lock screen on, go ahead and pull down from the black portion of the screen. Before you get to the screen, slide down. That's the easiest way to activate it. And once you are at that point, then you can go ahead and see all your shortcuts that you have, and the flashlight is one of them. So if you go ahead and select it, you will see that the flashlight then does turn on. And turning it off the same way, if somebody's been playing with your phone and you get it back and this light is on, go ahead and just swipe down from the top down, and you will then again see flashlight. If you have a different order, just look around, see, and you will see the flashlight. So to deselect it, go ahead and do that. And let's just say you are in an app, let's say the internet app, and you slide down, you will see that it does not pull down all the way. So what you're going to want to do is just swipe down a second time, and it does bring up the full menu. So once again, from this menu, you can select the flashlight to turn it on and off. There's also an options button up here to sort your buttons. So the button order, you can go ahead and select that, and you can move these around. There's also a second page with other options that you can add or take off. These are just kind of the standard set. You can order them in any way you'd like. So that is how you turn the flashlight on and off on a Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any other comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop those in the comment section below. If there's somebody else who is looking for this, needs a little bit of help, go ahead and share this with them. Pass it on to them. If you guys have any kind of feedback, anything you guys would like to pass on to me, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.